Okay. Hey guys, I want to ask you about I used hack my friend. So I remember we play on the other day, the night day. It's not today. So I know this today is night time. This is my revenge. I already killed. So it's night time. Other night, I he killed me, leave the server. That's why I kill him. Use my hack. So that's why I leave the server quickly and until you can report me no reason. I show his avatar. He's right now. This is my hack. So, take that. Oh my god, I cannot see his avatar. Oh my god, na yun. Tang ina yun. Ayan, account to. This is my little small sister account. Okay, why dito sa guys? Basta nakalaro na dito sa avatar ay sa Roblox. Iwan ko nga rin dito sa Taipan. Basta pakita ko lang din yung basic nga avatar. Ay, yung avatar no potato. Ang pangit. Ayos, hindi yan. Una ko yung mga friend. Oh my god, nalag naman. Okay pa guys. Ngita ko pa lang. Damo ko dito mga bot friend dito eh. Why ko alam yan eh. Why na siguro guys, na-quick na. Baka i-delete niya na ako. Why na dito oh. Why na sa dito. Na-leave na. Na-leave na kami sa friend namon. Quick na sa. I not screenshot that one. But I can revenge him. So. This one. This guy. This a guy. So I kill him. So I find him again. Yo. Ito so. Ang bullshit ya. I really mad this guy bro. He killed me once and leave the server. So that's my revenge to kill him. And I hack. Wall hack. And I win the game. But there's the server so stupid. And I always teaming. That player is always teaming there. So that's why I use my hack and win the killer. Why palag naman ko. Oh, why na sa? Leave na to sa guys. Na leave this i-delete niya na amon friendship. Isa lang to, one day lang to. Ito ang baterya oh. Ito ang baterya sa ito. Ipabilugan ko yan ah. Siya yan ang friend kong bubo. Yan, target lock mo ko ah. Why nyo ko tulungan eh. Dito lang video guys. Kasi kainis yun eh. Sana why na tamer.